The Springhill Suites by Marriott Anaheim Resort/Convention Center is located at 1801 South Harbor Boulevard. It's on the corner of Harbor and Catella above the CVS Pharmacy. You will need to cross Catella Avenue to get to Disneyland Resort. Parking is $24 a night at this hotel. They do have an underground lot, but they also use the Residence Inn parking structure next door. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. We actually ended up not staying here, so we cannot comment on the noise levels or the comfort level. The reason we decided to check out was there were people drinking and screaming up and down the hallways. We figured we wouldn't get much sleep, and so we went and asked downstairs if we could check out, and they were very gracious and let us do so without a penalty. We do plan on coming back to this hotel as our customer service was wonderful when we asked if we could check out without a penalty. Please be aware there are 2 Springhill Suites in the Anaheim area, so when you book, make sure you're choosing the correct one. At time of filming, this hotel is rated number 26 out of 126 hotels in Anaheim. It is about a 15-minute walk or 7/10 of a mile to get to Disneyland.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Springhill Suites here in Anaheim. This is the Springhill Suites on Harbor Boulevard above the CVS store. Look at this room, it's pretty awesome. It's really big. There's a nice big pull-out couch here. Tons of storage, a nice desk. You notice there's plugs everywhere and a lamp. There's another outlet here. They have 2 luggage racks, which is awesome, and a microwave, and a nice fridge. Got all of our goodies in the fridge. So this nice big mirror is outside the bathroom door, which is a great area to do your makeup in the morning if you have multiple people getting ready at the same time. And there's also really nice lighting. And it's another farmhouse door, which opens up to a spacious bathroom. Lots of storage for all of your toiletries, tons of towels, and then a really nice stand-up shower again. If you have little ones, you might want to consider that if they're used to bathing in a bathtub. We booked a 2-queen room again. I like that the beds and the living area are separated, although I do wish there was maybe a doorway between the bedroom and the living room. It's nice and big. There's 2 TVs. There's also 2 outlets and a USB in the wall right here and a USB in this clock. There's ample storage, nice big dresser, and a whole linen closet here with extra bedding, ironing board, and tons of hangers. We realize this isn't as comprehensive as our normal hotel reviews, but we thought this information could still be valuable to some families. We think these rooms would be fantastic for larger families because you only need to rent 1 room instead of having to rent multiple rooms, and they were very spacious and large. Normally this hotel would have a hot breakfast buffet, but since it is the pandemic, they were offering grab-and-go bags for breakfast. Unfortunately, since we didn't stay, we weren't able to find out what was in those grab-and-go bags, but we thought that information was valuable if you are thinking of staying here in the future.